Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 8, and on the quiz it's a little small, so I thought by making a video maybe we could look at it a little bit more enlarged. The base of the rectangular prism has been divided into 10 squares. Each square has side length of a half a centimeter. The height of the prism is 2 centimeters. There's two parts to this. Find the area of the base and the volume of the rectangular prism. So let's work on the base first. If we look at this floor of this rectangular prism, we know that if the edge of this is a half, because they're telling us it's a half, so that means you would need two of them to make up the hole. So if we count how many holes we have, there's one there, there's 2.5. So we have 2.5 holes. That means the length of this thing is 2.5. Now what about going this way? We have a half and we have a half, so that means that those things together would make up a whole. The width on this thing is equal to 1 centimeter. Now they asked for the area of the base. To find that value, we have to do area equals length times width. Area equals 2.5 times 1. All right, so you'll finish that up and it'll be one of these choices that you see here for area. But what about the volume? So volume equals length times width times height. And they want the volume in cubic centimeters, right? Because that's what the unit is here. They don't want to know how many of these cubes. They want to know how many cubic centimeters. So, by the way, this cube is a half centimeter cube. All right, so what's the length of this thing in regular centimeters? It's 2.5. So let's turn that into an improper fraction. That's going to be equal to 5 halves. The width is 1, so we'll turn that into 1 over 1. And the height, they're already telling us here the height of the thing is 2 centimeters, so we'll substitute that in for the h. So the only thing left you have to do is find the product of these three values, and then you'll get one of these choices. So remember, there's two parts. You have to find the area, and you're going to find that by multiplying this, and you have to find the volume. Multiply these three values to get the volume.